To customize the lock screen on Google Pixel 11, first we need to open Settings on our phone. Once you go to Settings, then you should be able to find Wallpaper and Style. So let's go ahead and open this. And then you should be able to just simply tap on the lock screen. Now we can, as you can see here, tap to edit the photo. You can adjust the position, scale, and angle of your photo. So you should be able to zoom in, zoom out, and we can move left and right. But besides that, you can go back, of course, and here, if you, let's actually go back from the preview as well, then in here we should be able to scroll down in order to find some additional options, like, for example, the clock customization. So here we can change the clock face to a different style. There we go, we have many different options to choose from. You should also be able to change the color for the clock. You can also change the size as well, so we can switch between large and the small option. And of course, if you made any changes, remember to apply these changes, of course. Now, here we also have shortcuts, so we should be able to use any of these shortcuts that we have available. And we have the option to choose the left shortcut and the right shortcut as well. And of course, remember to apply these changes as well. Besides that, we can manage notifications on the lock screen. So here we have a couple of different settings related to lock screen notifications. And also, we have more lock screen settings. So in case you are looking for some additional settings, then you can find them over here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.